If you've been wondering how to use poll forms on your landing page or blog in a simple, clean way that actually boosts engagement, this video will show you exactly how in just a few minutes. And stick around, because I've tried all the most popular tools out there and I'll show you the one that works best. Plus there's an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Now, whether you're trying to gather opinions, qualify leads, or just make your blog more interactive, adding a poll form can be a game changer, and it's way easier than you think. First, head over to the software we'll be using. The link for the exclusive trial is waiting for you in the description, and it'll let you follow along step by step. Once you're in, click on Create New Form and choose Poll from the templates. You'll see a bunch of designs, from simple one-question polls to multi-step surveys. Pick the one that fits your goal. Next, customize your poll. Change the question to match your audience. This could be as direct as, which of these products would you like to see next? Or, what's your biggest challenge right now? Add the answer options, then tweak the colors and fonts so it matches your landing page or blog branding. Now this is key. Under Settings, make sure to turn on email capture if you want to use the poll as a lead gen tool. You can make it optional or required, and even tag responses for your email platform if you're integrating this with your CRM. Once your poll is ready, hit Publish. The software will give you a simple embed code. If you're using WordPress, just paste it into a custom HTML block. On other builders like Wix, Webflow, or plain HTML sites, drop it into the section where you want the poll to appear. After publishing, test the form. Submit a few sample responses and check if they land in your dashboard or email. This quick test avoids headaches later. And pro tip, enable instant results to show participants how others voted. It adds a nice interactive touch. Now, if you're wondering what happens behind the scenes, this software automatically tracks engagement metrics, completion rates, and more. This makes it easy to optimize your questions over time and increase conversion on your landing page or blog. So here's the key takeaway. Using poll forms on your landing page or blog isn't just about collecting answers. It's about interaction, insight, and improving conversions. And with the right tool, it takes just a few minutes to set up. Quick recap: choose a poll template, customize the questions, embed the form on your site, and test it. Don't forget to turn on email capture and track results. Before you go, don't miss out on the exclusive free trial of the software we used. It's in the description and only available through this channel. It'll let you follow every step I just showed you and get your poll live today. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan Thorne, and I'll see you in the next one.